Good babies. Hi, Maxie. Go shut the door. Shut the door, Max. Shut the door. Shut the door. No. Come here. Maxie. Max. Shh. Good job. Now shut the door. Good job. Go shut the door. Shut the door. Shut it. No. Get back in here. Max. Shut the door. Go shut the door. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Now we're going to have a treat? Do you want a treat? He was a good boy. Mommy's good puppy. What did you do, Muff? What did you do? You didn't shut the door. Maxie shut the door. Good job. Can you dance? Dance, pretty girl. Get a girl. Good girl.